Hey everybody, this is Mr. On Demand back again with another great video. So if you're brand new to Kodi and you've never used it, I'm going to go over the basics you need to know about Kodi to know what it is, what it does, to help get you get your foot in the door and get you just first started with Kodi. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. First and foremost, Kodi's a media center. You're going to notice here that you can play and add your videos, you can add pictures, you can add music, etc., etc. So you can add your own content in here. Secondly, you can add programs, which are called add-ons. So when you install add-ons into Kodi, you have to make sure that you go to the gear icon and go to System, go to Add-ons, and make sure you turn on unknown sources. Because if you don't do that, you're only going to be able to get add-ons from the official Kodi repository. And you might ask, well, what's a repository? Well, a repository is a location that the add-ons come from. So there's multiple locations all over the internet where add-ons come from. And the next question would be, well, how do I get these repositories installed? Well, what you're going to do is go back to the gear icon and you're going to go to File Manager and you're going to add a source. The source is the web address where the repository comes from. After you've added the source, which is a web address, HTTP, whatever google.com type address, right? You're going to add that address in here. Once you've added that address in here, that address will then be available for you to install add-ons from the add-ons area. So if you go to add-ons and then you go to the little package, which is the install icon here, you're going to be able to install from zip. And when you install from zip, you're going to be able to go directly to the address you've entered in, which is the website for the add-ons that you can get. But when you install from zip, you generally install the repository first. And then the repository is going to give you the list of add-ons, because a repository is just a list of add-ons that are available. The cool thing about this is the way they've made it is the reason you install a repository is Kodi looks at the repository to tell it whether or not there is an update to the add-on, and then updates the add-on through the repository. This also gives you the ability to get add-ons from their official repositories instead of from just anywhere. So this is very important security-wise for you to be able to know how this works. So again, you get the zip file from a web address, and that is the repository. Then from the repository, you install the add-ons. And then you can install all sorts of third-party add-ons, whether it be a Disney Plus or a Netflix add-on or whatever it might be. You'll be able to put those add-ons in here, and then you can watch content from those add-ons. I'm not endorsing any kind of piracy. You still have to have an account to be able to get in and use those add-ons for watching content. Any other third-party add-ons that subvert that, I'm not talking about or endorsing in any way, shape, or form on here. But if you'd like to know more about Kodi, which I can't really go into in this video, you can join my Telegram group, which there is a link in the description below this video for, and that you'll get a lot more information there about how to use Kodi and different things you can do in Kodi, etc. This was more of a entry level getting started video just to give you a brief description of what Kodi is and how it works and what it does. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment down below, and I'll try my best to answer the questions you have. And, you guys all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.